In the last tutorial, we have learned how a Py file converted into the machine level language passes through CPython virtual machine. Before installing the Python, we need to see some open sources platform to run Python on browser. The first is REPL. REPL is the online platform provide Python interpreter. If you want to use Python online, then REPL is good option for you. To start the REPL, first we have to log in using Gmail or Git. When you log in on the REPL, the platform look like this, right? So to create a Python notebook, we have to click on new REPL button and choose the language which we want to use for execution. So our scope is Python. So I choose Python and I write my first file name is my first underscore code and click on REPL create. Okay, this is how the platform looks like. Okay. So this is our programming platform, this is our execution platform, and this is file name with extension py. Py is the extension of Python file. Okay, let's start with, if I want to print my name, I use the instruction print, and you can see suggestions are come under it. So my name is Rochak Sharma. If I want to execute and see what the interpreter reads this, we have to click on run button. If I run this, it will print my name, right? Okay. If I want to take input from the user, I use a keyword input. Enter your name. Okay. If I run this, the cursor waits for my input. If I write something and press enter, it will execute. Okay. As you can see, if I write this line, my Python interpreter stops and wait for the user input. This input keyword is used to store the user data. Now assign it with the variable name and print whatever is going to come in the name. If I run this, first the interpreter runs this line. As we know, the Python works line by line. First it executes line 1, after that line 2, after that line 3, and if I want to print the user input as a tag, my internet is not working properly, just wait. Okay, so I assign my input as name. If I run this code, interprets first print my name, after that it again stop for the user input, after that it prints whatever I write in the input. So let it run. Okay, it is waiting for the user input. For example, if I entered Aman, if I hit enter, then it executes to the next line, and in the line 4 it prints whatever is going to come by the user as a name tag, right? This is how we run Python. Don't worry about the syntax and don't worry about anything. We will explore all these things in detail in class. There is n number of platforms available for the Python code. The next platform is Glot. This is again an open source platform to execute language. These all are available language over this platform. Our scope is to run code in the Python. So I choose Python. Now again, this is the programming window and this is the execution window. If I run this, enter, and I print this. So the result is so ये हो गया